Hello everyone, I am Meena Leol, teaching here mathematics in the IPC. So welcome to IPC once again. So today we will discuss about the trigonometry, which is a very important topic in the 9th standard and 10th standard, as well as in the architecture also for the elevation purpose. So let's see what is trigonometry. Basically, trigonometry is for the right angle triangle. Again, there are two types of right angle triangle. Let's see here. First is 45, 45, 90 degree. And second one is 30, 60, 90 degree. So for this purpose, types of two triangles, here we have a trigonometry ratios. Let's see what they are. So we have a table of the ratios sine, cos and tan. So before moving towards the ratios, what is actually sine, cos and tan basic values? So let's see. For the sine, we have opposite side to the hypotenuse. For the cos value, we have adjacent side to the hypotenuse. And for the tan, we have opposite side and the adjacent. For tan, the one trick is there. You can cancel out hypo and hypotenuse from the sine and cos. You will readily get numerators as the opposite and the adjacent. Same trick we are going to use over here in the table. So let's once again what I had told you. You have to just take a numerator when you are calculating the tan value. So to learn this table or to remind this table, you have to just remind the one row. The first one row. Sine 0 value is 0. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. Sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 value is 1. So for the cos and tan, you will get the arithmetical value by learning the first row only. So for the cos, you have to just reverse the row from 90 to 0 degree. Means 1 you have to write over here. Root 3 by 2. Then 1 by root 2. 1 by 2 and 0. What we had done? We had just reversed the first row values. So for tan, I told you already you have to just take a numerator over here. So just take numerator. 0 by 1 means 0. Here numerators are 1 and root 3. So your ratio will be 1 by root 3. Here 1 by 1, that is 1. Here numerators are root 3 by 1 means root 3. And 1 by 0 is not defined. So value for the tan 90 will be not defined. So this way we can calculate this value sine, cos and tan. Further, so we can discuss in the regular lecture. Thank you.
Making study simple and joyful with IPC. Think big, think IPC.